what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So you read the title already. Tomorrow is my friend's birthday, but tonight is the party at her house. Her dad didn't let her go out, so all of us are going to her house, but her parents are pretty chill. But that's not the point. So yeah, today's 30th and tomorrow 21st is her birthday. We've been friends since 7 years. This is the same girl I got my tattoo with. She means so much to me. Hopefully she doesn't see the vlog because I don't want to be too sweet to her. But yeah, anyway, so because of the pandemic and everything, I mean, literally nobody has mood to celebrate anything, and she also has been very not so excited about the birthday, etc. So I thought, let's do something fun. By the way, subscribe if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button. I did this very last minute. I should have done this before because I have so much work to do. I can't even tell you. Not work related to just the party, but I have a lot of work to do. My work, and I don't know. I think my people will scold me, but anyways, so today I'm going to just do some pieces which I want to do for the party. So let me talk about the party. Instead of a normal party which we always do, I thought let's do a theme party, and I never did any party hosted or decorated, none of it at all. I used to be that person who does a lot of art and crafts when I was a kid, lot of art and crafts. So I used to love doing this. Whenever I have to gift somebody something, I used to make it because it used to feel so special. But after growing up, maybe the past few years, I've become so lazy to do anything. But Raksha is that person. She loves personalized. You can give her 10,000 bucks. She'll be like, oh, okay, thank you. But you give her 10 rupees thing, something which is made out of love. She'll appreciate it so much. So yeah. Anyway, so that's the theme party. The theme of the party today is Bollywood. I thought that is the most safe game I can play because Bollywood seems really fun and everything. So let's do that. I've divided a little bit of work among other friends as well. I'll just post pictures, or maybe I won't. You'll see in the end. So I'll just show you what I'm going to do. Now it's almost 9 o'clock in the night. I have to go to her house by 5 o'clock. She in fact asked me to come earlier, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, just that I'll be there and later other people will come. But I don't think that is possible at all because I have a lot of work to do. So yesterday me and my friend went out to get a lot of decor items. I mean, I tried my best to find whatever. I didn't try to go to too many shops because just to be safer side. And then I went to the stationery. That stationery is really good. I got so many stuff there. And yeah, we even ordered the cake. I actually ordered a dress for her. Basically, I got a dress made for her because she doesn't know there's a theme Bollywood, and I don't want her to feel left out. It's not so much Bollywoody. It's kind of retro maybe dress. I don't know. I just got something for her just in case she wants to wear. I really don't know what I'm going to wear. I have not figured that out yet. And let me just show you what all I got. I got a lot of things. So starting off, I bought a few cardboards because I want to make excuse me. So I want to make few placards, just things which say Bollywood dialogues or songs which are known, Tere Jaise Yaar Kaha. So we can put it in the decor also, and while clicking pictures, we can use the placards. I'm trying my best. I might not be the best at it, but this is just an effort. So don't comment. But yeah, so I got that cardboards there. I got a lot of chart papers. I got different colors, you can see, because there's different things which I want to do. I have an inspiration picture. I'll put it right here. So I want to do something like that. Maybe I won't be able to do such good job. But yeah, I got chart papers. Then I got these bamboo sticks, so that I can hold the placards with that. Then I got balloons. So happy birthday. Instead of Raksha, I got another name. You'll see it in the last when I do the decor, because I don't want to reveal anything. Just a Bollywood movie name, but would suit her as well. So just going with the theme. And we ordered her a cake which is Bollywoody. We ordered a popcorn cake. I hope it comes out really nice. And then just some bunch of markers. Yeah, so just some bunch of markers, Fevicol. I was so mesmerized yesterday, when I went to the station. I was a kid, none of this exists. Look at this tape. I was so fascinated by this tape. So it says wall safe tape. Basically, if you put it on the wall, usually you tape your wall, the paint comes off, right? So basically, the paint won't come off. I mean, what not is there? I feel like so old. I'm not really old. I'm just 23, but still, it's been a while I did anything like this. So yeah, then this. Then I got white pen. Then rest is like a decor stuff. I really got some really cool lights. Cool because I never saw them. So these are like just star type of lights. So yeah, now I'm just going to start preparing. I guess I have to go pick up her dress in some time. So I don't know if I'll go do in the evening. Like I can pick the cake and dress at the same time, or I can do, let's see, I just wanted to pick the dress first because just in case there's some changes, the tailor said like he'll make changes. So now I'll just start making these cards. Hope and pray that this happens properly, because I just want us to have a good night after so long. Her friends are going to be there, her college friends, like our gang, then like one of her other girls, so everybody's just going to come home. And it's been so long, literally. I think since the pandemic started, none of us have met and partied together except for my birthday, and that was just daytime for a few hours. So I'm looking forward to this so much because I mean, friends are friends, right? Like you just feel so refreshed, you laugh so much, you have so much fun. So yeah. I just cut out these. I just added, please, that sound is super irritating. I just cut out cardboard and this so that the placards are like steady, and then she can save them even if later if she wants to, so that they're in good conditions. Look, I cut everything out. Now I'm going to finish decorating this. I don't think I can record the entire thing. You guys, I was trying to make a star, and look at my star. This is probably the worst star in this planet. Hi guys, it is my back is gone by sitting down. So it's 4:45 or 5 o'clock. I just got done, and sorry for black blocking. Look at my hand. The paint, not the paint, but the white marker spilled anyway. So yeah, I'm done. Oh my god, I need to take a bath. So I'm going about to hop in the shower, and yeah, I think I'll see you in Raksha's place. I just have to pick up the cake. I won't show the cards just yet. Yeah, I think I'll just do the decor and show now. This is my OTD. I don't know, I tried to do something, but I don't think it worked out. I mean, it's not too bad, it's not too good. I put a hairband. I don't know the theme. It's 90s or films or something, everything mixed. It was very last minute, so I put this together. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm getting very late, so I just thought I'll show my OTD. I really need to run right now. We wanted to do our 12, but it is not possible.
Yeah, not possible at all. So we'll make it as a surprise itself. Okay, they will.
Okay, now I'm coming. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. Damn it, Jupi. Yeah.
Okay, crazy. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Raksha.
Oh my god.
Hey, watch it. These are not like that.
ఇది చూడలేను
It's so beautiful.
Bollywood movie.
Should I hold it?
Later you see, this is full reels of pictures.
Okay.
This is popcorn for you.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much.
Last year only.
Not
you. Baby, woke up. What is this behavior?
What is this behavior?
What is this behavior? Arey, what is this behavior? बोले तो. Crazy आया वो. 8 are there रे. उधर इधर तो 4-5 ही है.
किधर है बाकी? सारे तेरे से पकड़ के
ये भी तेरे लिए है. This is one more. అంటే కొంచెం తెలుగు కూడా యాడ్ చేద్దామని. You understood, no? Itna we made fun of me. You understood.
मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोला.
I made it like ow. Ow.
एक बार करना वैसे.
That is common sense which you don't have.
अरे that is instinct. तो क्या
अच्छा.
उसका instinct
अच्छा, तेरा
इसके
नहीं.
रास्ते में लक्ष्य आओ नहीं लिखे तो भी she would still
तेरा
say.
instinct
No,
नहीं
she's
है.
smart. नहीं है bro. मैं logical आदमी हूँ.
अच्छा, no, you were not. Very cute. Please, can I open this? No. That's very delicate because. You look so cute. Thank you. Bro, you look very nice. Happy birthday, Raksha. Happy हो गया.
थ्रेडी लग रहा हूँ.
Very nice.
Very nice. Hey, correct sides. Two sides correct. Sides. This side Raksha. Ooh. Oh. Happy birthday.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Hi.
That's so cute.
Raksha, happy birthday. You're the queen, bro.
అరే మనం ఇట్లా పెట్టి దిగుదాము.
अरे ब्रो, अब लास्ट ईयर पॉपकॉर्न ब्रो. लास्ट ईयर पॉपकॉर्न.
अरे नहीं, अभी लेके आए रे शॉप से, उसका बात मत सुनो.
कोई खा रहा.
अरे Happy birthday, Raksha. I smell like chocolate.
अरे यार.
So this. Well, it's not a Hyderabadi party if it doesn't end with biryani. Open Raksha.
Okay, I'm getting my birthday gift after 1 month.
Hey, wait, careful, so izzat you give. So, a little context on what's happening here. We did do the reel on her birthday. You did see it on the table, but the thing is, it was not complete yet. But we were getting too late, so we just had to like put it there temporarily, and I didn't want her to see without it being completely over. So I took it back from her and I told her I'll give like in a couple of days, maybe the next day or 2 days later, but it got postponed to so many weeks. And here finally I'm giving her the reel. Basically because the theme was Bollywood, like the movie thing, we did like a reels of a lot of pictures, messages, etc. And that's what she's seeing in that.
Thank you.
Open it, buddy.
I read this, yeah.
Hey, I read now only. I wrote it today only, bro. When did you read?
Now.
Now only you read
Now
that.
only
Acha,
I read.
okay. I thought you read previously. I too wrote it now only, I'm thinking. I put this sticker from Friends Ka Diary.
Yo.
Read this.
Smelly cat.
You have to read everybody's now. Don't read in front of me. I'll get bored.
Okay.
उतना लंबा है रोड रे. What I wrote? I don't even remember what I wrote. I wrote that day.
Oh.
Are konni was there. Konni photos I had to put, and this front page and all they didn't fill. So that I filled today.
Oh, I wrote so nice. Comes the queen. That's such a beautiful gift, yeah.
Okay, wait,
Please, can I do?
wait, I want to show this. This is so cool.
I'm reeling my life.
But it is so long, bro. చేసినప్పుడు అర్థం కాలేదు. It's so long. That's what she said.
It's like Laddy.
This is 1,100 ఉంటుంది bro easily. Na? 100 ladi this is. వస్తూనే ఉంది.
నా జీవిత స్టోరీ రాయాలంటే రీల్
Actually, no. Your biography is so long.
God, that's a wonderful birthday gift.